Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Tether from your Coinbase account to your Bitmart account. If you don't know what Coinbase and Bitmart are, they are a platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardone, etc. The first thing you will need to do is open up the website of Coinbase and Bitmart, then log into your account on both the platforms. Tether, also known as USDT, is an asset-backed cryptocurrency stablecoin, which is blockchain-enabled platform designed to facilitate the use of fiat currencies in a digital manner. Firstly, head over to Bitmart, then hover over your email address. Then you can see an option called Deposit. Click on it. Now choose Tether and click on Deposit. Now you can choose various chains to transfer your Tether. I'm going to choose this one. Then you need to copy this address. After doing that, head over to your Coinbase account. Then go to Trade. Now in the search bar, search Tether, or you can also find it here. After you click on Tether, information and the price of Tether will show. Now click on the wallet option. Now from here, you'll be able to send the Tether by pasting the address that you just copied from Bitmart. After that's pasted, now you can type the amount in USDT or in your currency. Let's say I want to transfer 10 USDT from my Coinbase account to my Bitmart account. After you type in the USDT amount or the currency amount, you can click on continue. I currently do not have sufficient balance on my account, so I am not able to continue. But if you have sufficient balance, then you will be able to click on this continue option. Then the Tether will be transferred from your Coinbase account to your Bitmart account. So those were the easy steps to transfer Tether from Coinbase to your Bitmart account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload guide videos on the internet every day. So make sure you get notified every time we make a post. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.